What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Speeding Woman with Attitude Learns Hard Lesson. So let's see what that lesson is.
4th, 2024, an officer caught a vehicle going nearly twice the speed limit.
Hello.
What's up?
What's the rush?
I'm just trying to get to work. I have a personal training class this morning.
So,
10 minutes.
you're doing 96.
I was not aware I was doing 96. I had the cruise control set at 85.
I mean, okay, even let's give you the difference. Say you were doing 85. That's still 35 miles an hour with the speed limit.
I understand that.
But like I said, I got you on radar doing 96.
Okay, what?
So,
When did you clock it?
right as you're coming over the crest of the hill. Okay,
Behind that truck for a while, and then you.
Truck was doing 74.
Okay.
You were doing 96. I need your driver's license, registration, proof, insurance.
I don't have my physical driver's license. It's in the mail on the way to me. I have a passport.
Okay, you can't drive a car then until you have your license on you.
Okay. Well, if you want to give me a ticket for that too, go right ahead, sir. But I'm just a girl trying to get.
Oh, you say that, but you're putting everybody else in danger, so I don't think the attitude's gonna help your situation, okay?
The last time I was pulled over by a cop, they pulled over 2 people at one time in the middle of the road, so I'm sorry. And he came up to the car and put his hand on his gun, so I'm sorry if I seem a little out of sorts right now.
I got you. I'm not them. Obviously, I'm not done any of that stuff.
Brain doesn't know that. Yeah, so.
Do you have your registration paperwork? All right, hang tight, back with you in a few. Taking some sound of the tag when you're ready. All right, ma'am, I need you to hop out of the vehicle and come around to the back of your trunk with me.
What?
I need you to step out of the vehicle and come around back to your trunk with me.
Why?
Because we're going to take care of paperwork back here.
What paperwork?
The paperwork that I'm about to provide you back here.
Okay, why?
Because I'm giving you an order to.
Well, I just didn't know. Like, I don't know why I need to get out of the car. Why do I need to get out of the car?
Because.
Oh man, she putting on a class act, man. Somebody need to get her a movie role, man. Listen, this boy, I don't got the patience, boy. All that boo-hooing, and you know your driver's license is suspended. That's why it's not on its way in the mail. None of that. None of that. You caught, you done. It's done. Okay? Get out the car. You don't want to get out the car. If you don't want to get out the car, that's fine. I'm gonna yank you out the car. But one way or another, you coming out this goddamn car. Okay, I'm trying to be nice. All right, see, this is why I can't be a cop. All right.
I have paper to take care of, and for my safety and for convenience, it's taken care of back here. Hey, Shade, can you pull up here with me?
Can I get out as well, sir?
No, ma'am.
I just want to stand with
Okay, I'm not gonna have a bunch of people on the side of the Gandy Boulevard. It's a safety issue, okay? This isn't that big of a deal.
Sorry. If you're telling me this is not that big of a deal, and you can physically see me, then I'm like,
It's not that big of a deal, but you are making it a big deal, yes. I'm asking her to simply do something that I ask people to do every day. And I told you it's because it's for my safety. This is where I conduct this type of paperwork at, is at the back of your vehicle.
I've never been asking it outside of my car before.
Well, today you are.
Sorry.
So at this point, you need to step out of the vehicle because I'm giving you an order to do so.
Excuse me.
Right around back here, please. You want to turn to face me so I can explain some things to you?
Sure.
Fantastic. Your driver's license is suspended.
It's not.
You failed to pay a traffic citation at Pasco, and they suspended it on the 19th.
6 months to pay that ticket.
Your driver's license is actively suspended.
The person told me that I had 6 months to pay that ticket. I actually reinstated my license a few months ago. Got that handled. And now you're telling me that my license is suspended. I haven't received notification of this. And I know this isn't your fault, sir, but I have been going through a lot lately.
So I understand all that, but here are the simple facts today, okay? You don't have a license on you. In the system, which is real time, it is showing as suspended, and that's what I have to go by. If there's a clerk or something like that, that is something that you're simply gonna have to take care of at a later date in court.
So what happens now?
So I'm about to issue some notices to appear for court in lieu of making a physical arrest and taking you to jail, because I don't want to do that. All right? But you can't drive this car. If she has a valid license, she's the one that's going to say, perfect, she'll take over for you. But you're going to have a court date that you're going to have to appear for, okay? The court date is going to get mailed to you. You're going to have a court date for driving with suspension and for your speed for doing 96 and a 50. If you don't hear anything from the court in the next 30 days, the recommendation I tell everyone is make sure you call the Pinellas County Clerk of Court, because if you miss this court date for any reason, they will issue a warrant for your arrest, okay? I'm going to need a couple of things from you. First is going to be a signature at the bottom of both these citations next to the blue X. It's not admission to guilt, simply saying you're aware you're going to receive a court date in the mail and you promise to appear for it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and crumple these up. I'm going to go print out a new copy. If you don't appropriately sign the citations, ma'am, I will be forced to make a physical arrest, okay? So I'm going to give you one more opportunity to comply.
You physically saw me sign those, correct? And that counts
that
as a
wasn't-
signature, correct?
No, that's not a signature.
All right.
Right?
Anything
What do you-
from pen to paper, you physically see me sign, that is my signature.
Wait, hold on. That was quick now. Hold on. Hold up, nah. What she pulled a fast one. I ain't even get to see this.
Both these citations next to the blue X, it's not admission to guilt, simply saying you're aware you're going to receive a court date in the mail and you promise to appear for it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and crumple these up. I'm going to go print out a new copy. If you don't appropriately sign the citations, ma'am, I will be forced to make a physical arrest, okay? So I'm going to give you one more opportunity to comply.
You physically saw me sign those, correct? And that counts
that
as a
wasn't-
signature, correct?
No, that's not a
All
signature.
right.
Right?
Anything
What do you-
from pen to paper, you physically see me sign, that is my signature. It does not have to be legible.
Okay.
You have nothing else to say. It's not a signature, says who?
Okay. He's trying to work with you. I don't know why you're not working. Why are you interrupting?
Right now, and you
Okay.
make me get out of the car.
Okay.
You could have handed them to me, and
All
I
right.
could have signed them in the safety of my car.
You want me to say something and then you interrupt me, so I'm not going to say anything.
You don't even allow my wife to get out with me. You're like, are you kidding me?
All right, ma'am. So again, your signature is as it appears on your driver's license. This is not admission to guilt. This is simply an acknowledgement that you're aware you're going to receive a court date in the mail.
Like 10 years ago.
So simply just need your compliance.
Do you want to see my actual signature?
All right, go ahead and turn around. Place your hands behind your back for me.
I'm not. Please, baby!
Stay there. Stay there. Stop. 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 10 to 16. I'm 10:15. Gotta get a cage cruiser.
I'll talk to you in a second. Tell him to step it up.
Yeah, 10-4. I need a cage cruiser if they can expedite. I won't be uncooperative.
Please, please, please! Baby! I love it. I'm trying to save it, baby!
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did!
It was a simple thing you had to do.
I did it!
Man, please do me a favor. Have a seat in the vehicle. I just don't want you getting hit.
I heard what you got to do. Start your paperwork.
Well, this is a simple case of You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, okay? It's simple, man. Sign it legible. Now, she did have a point. It doesn't have to be legible and all that stuff. But what the officer kind of switched up the second time, and he was like, sign it as if it's signed on your driver's license. So, you know, they can see what your driver's license signature is. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, the little X in the beginning, that's like, you know, but the second time is, I don't even understand what the big deal is, why she couldn't just sign. I'm dumbfounded. You know what I'm saying? I really don't understand what the big deal is. Just sign the ticket, go on your merry way. And why you driving anyway if your girl or whatever, she has a valid driver's license? You don't. Like, why y'all even playing these type of games? Like, I don't even get it.
I got the paperwork done. She just refused to sign it.
No, I'm not refused. Do you see it? There's a signature on that paper, sir.
Not your signature.
It is my signature.
Stop. Relax.
I'm diagnosed with anxiety and... Can you please go look at the piece of paper? I signed it. Please, they're making a big deal out of this, please. Please.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
I'm sorry, this is our dad. Hold on, Dad, I gotta talk. Hold on, I have to talk to the police officer. Give me just a second.
Start walking back.
No, please, no! I signed the paper!
Come on.
Please have my wife, please! Please, can I have my wife? Please!
She can't take that. Okay. Anything else? She's got a chain and a couple bracelets on.
So here's the deal. Here's what happened, okay? She has a suspended driver's license, and she's doing a speed of more than 30 miles an hour of the speed limit. In the state of Florida, one of those, the suspended driver's license, is an arrestable offense. The other one is a mandatory appearance in court.
Have a seat.
Have a seat. Get in the car.
When I placed down and explained this to her a second time, she again scribbled all over the citations. At that point, she's not acknowledging that she's going to appear in court. I cannot release her on a citation. So she has to go to jail and appear for those charges now.
Thank you.
No problem.
It's going to be a walkthrough type of thing, in and out. Now they're not going to hold her, okay? All right.
All I wanted to do was go work out this morning.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.